Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Lee. I'm also known as D Engineer. I'm part of the STEAM squad, and today we're going to learn how to create your own virtual reality program. We're going to be using a program called Alice 3. It's a program that I used to learn programming and how to create my own video games back in the day, and I think it's a great program because number one, it's super easy. It's very powerful. You can create your own virtual stories or video games. The other thing is that it's great for kids because it's very visual. It's a lot of drag and drop procedures and uses a lot of cool characters like aliens and bats and things like that in it. The other thing that I like about this program is that it's free. That's right, I said free. And so as long as you have a pretty up-to-date computer and a few gigs of memory on your computer, you're good to go. So why don't we get started? First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to alice.org. We're going to put this address in the description box so you guys can find it. Once you do that, you're going to go to Get Alice. Once you go to Get Alice, you're going to have a few options here. If you go to just the Alice 3, you're going to see that you can download Alice 3 based off of the operating system that you have. Mine happens to be Windows, but you can also do it if you have a Mac or a Linux. Now I'm going to do something a little bit different because I'm going to go to Alice 3 Unity VR Beta. Now this is the same thing except for they have a couple add-ons that allow you to be able to use the Oculus Rift and be able to see your things in the virtual world. So the Alice 3 IDE is the same thing as the Alice 3 that you saw before. The IDE is Integrative Development Environment, if you want to know what that means. But it is the same thing except for it has that that added feature on there. Now it does have a couple bugs in it. You probably won't even notice the bugs in it. So if you feel comfortable, feel free to just download that. I have Windows, so I'm going to download that one. And I'm going to also download the Alice 3 Unity Player. The Unity Player allows us to play the animation outside of the Alice IDE world. So this will be especially important if you want to look at it in the virtual world or if you want to just show it to other people. So after you do that, you're going to install it using the default settings, and we're going to stop here, and after you installed it, we're going to get started in using Alice.